In this video, I'm going to share with you simple but fashionable, creative and cinematic lighting setup which you could create just using simple modifier. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Daria Koso and I'm a fashion photographer who based in Miami. Make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm sharing very important and interesting information which nobody wants to tell you. Everyone telling that you should buy a lot of expensive gear, but honestly, you could create great lighting just using one simple modifier. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and give a like to this video if this information which is interesting for you, and make sure to turn all notifications so you will not miss future videos. Meet our gorgeous model Hannah. She would help us test 3 different lighting setups and we will do all the different outfits. So stay tuned. For this outfit, I feel it's more kinda edgy and dark mood. I decided we should try cinematic lighting with the dark shade, dark background. So let's see how it would create from this white background, dark one. I'm setting up lighting from 45 degrees from the model. I'm using just simple modifier, how you could see. I using brown color, but it could be actually any other brand. As you could see, it's going to be very direct lighting, but the difference it would be 45 degrees from the model. And what is important here, I'm setting up it on the model's height. And the other thing, what we will use, is black flag. I'm using it to cut the part of the lighting and making shade in the background. You could see how it changed right now. If you could just stand here, I'll do a couple test shots first. Look at me. Look at me, but more like facing this way. Yes. Very good. Could we also try to do a couple shots with the movement, maybe kind of like you wearing jacket, like taking it off? Wow. So as you can see, we're shooting with super harsh lighting and it's kind of from the side, like I already told you, 45 degrees from the model. So it's better when model facing a little bit of the light, or it could be direct too, but keep in mind that it could be very harsh shadow from the side. Also, other very important thing, as you could see, I have lighting from the left side, we have black flag from the side, but also, as you could see, we have white wall from the right side. So some of the lighting bouncing from this wall and filling the shadow. guys, we just finished shooting our first outfit and first lighting setup. So let me know in the comments below how do you like how we created this cinematic lighting just using simple modifier. And let's get change our lighting setup and outfit. We just switched lighting for our second setup. As you could see, we're also getting continuous lighting just to showing you better how the light setup looks like. But just basically, it's bouncing from the wall and going right to the subject. What is the most important to know when you're doing this kind of lighting setup? That you should go a little bit higher with the power of the light. The next look, I feel it would be my favorite one, very unique, and I decided that we should do something softer with the lighting and kind of nicer location design. So I'm using my hand-painted canvas, and for the floor I decided to go with the fabric. Wow. Wow. Could you do again with this hand? You kind of fixing your hair? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. You could see how the huge difference, like we were shooting first outfit with very dramatic, cinematic, dark lighting, super harsh, and those photographs, it's totally with the opposite lighting. It's much more softer and it's giving totally different mood, more like soft, very diffused lighting. And as you can see, it just created with, again, using the same simple modifier. And if you would like to know more about lighting and how you could use it to create great images, you could find in the description below how to sign up for my upcoming workshop in the studio. We just finished shooting our second outfit with the second lighting setup. Let me know in the comments below how do you like the difference between first one and second one. Personally, for me, it's totally different mood. Not just about outfits, but also about lighting. And if you already enjoyed watching this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And get ready to start preparing our third lighting setup. The third lighting setup which we're doing for today, I would say it's a little bit similar for the first one, like we're setting up it directly to the face of the model, like you could see. But comparing with the first one, we're creating not 45 angle degree, but it just going straight to the model. And this lighting setup, it's very famous, one of the favorite ones from Richardson. It's super simple, but sometimes when you want to create very cool, fashionable looks, and you just have your flash with you. It's kind of simulating flash from the camera. What is very important about this kind of lighting, it's that photographer always supposed to stay like very close to the stand and very close to the lighting. The difference, for example, with the second lighting setup, that here all this power of the lighting is going directly to the subject, so the power of the lighting could be a little bit lower. When you're working with this simple modifier, if you bring in light closer to the model, you're getting more power and shadows could be more diffused. But if you bring lighting further from the model, you will get more harsh shadows and also you will get less power. For example, in the second lighting setup, when we were bouncing from the wall, for example, if we bring lighting closer to the wall, the light which is bouncing from the wall would come in more harsh and more powerful. But if we bring lighting a little bit further from the wall, light would be softer but less powerful. Could you do like this? Beautiful. Maybe chin up? Very good. And lean on the wall. I would say it's very important with this kind of lighting, your subject's supposed to lean on the wall. That's only one way how you could create this perfect lighting scene. Wow, yes. And you can see when I'm shooting, I'm standing like very, very close to the lighting. So it's like pretending that it's my camera flash when it's flashing. Here we just have continuous light for our video, so you could see kind of same lighting when I'm shooting. And could you do like kind of maybe profile or something like with the pull-on sleeves? Wow. I feel we already got so many great shots with this outfit and this lighting, and then I got a new idea how I could modify this lighting, also just using one simple modifier, and I just want to create a few more shots. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to know how I created my bonus lighting setup. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on all notifications so you will not miss future video with the new lighting setup and much more. We are wrapping up. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'm and Hannah, we're going to continue our photo shoot. So see you next time!